Muslims can be credited for vaccine development from smallpox to coronavirus. Muslims in Turkey in the early 1700s realized that if they inoculated their children with cowpox taken from the breasts of cattle, they would not develop smallpox. While most of Europe dropped into the Dark Ages, partly due to disease, Muslims in the Middle Ages were able to continue to expand trade and dine in style, without worry of catching smallpox. Vaccines that were used in Turkey were introduced to England by Lady Montagu, who was the wife of the ambassador of the Ottoman Empire from England. She was so convinced by the effectiveness of the vaccines that she had inoculated many of her relatives to prove to the English church and doctors that the vaccines were safe and effective. But it wasn't until Qasim Aga, the ambassador of Tripoli, provided effectiveness and safety reports of people who had been vaccinated in North Africa that the English officials began to take advantage of the vaccinations. Although Edward Jenner is credited for using the smallpox vaccine to eradicate the illness, it was the Muslims who introduced the concept of inoculation to the West. Today, Muslims are again credited with discovering new procedures in vaccine development. The Muslim couple Ugur Şahin and Özlem Türeci are the founders of BioNTech and are responsible for the science behind Pfizer, the first coronavirus vaccine.